This is segment 11, embedding Matplotlib live in graphical user interfaces. Sabi dito, you can embed Matplotlib directly into a user interface application by following the embedding in this equation or this phrasing examples here. Sinusuportahan yung ganitong mga description ay yung ganitong mga parameters or mga names. Yan yung canvas, AGG demo, embedding in JTK3 with the navigation toolbar. Hanggang JTK4. Embedding in QC, display mapped flex in WX. SVG histogram. Let's check what it looks like. Widgets. Examples of how to write primitive but GUI agnostic widgets in the Matplotlib. Annotated cursor. Let's check. Annotated cursor. Cursor tracking of position. X position. Buttons. Next, previews. Click. Check buttons. Turning visual elements on and off with check buttons. Cursor. Cursor. Lasso selector. Menu. Use text to construct a simple menu. Menu. Mouse cursor. Over and accents to see alternate cursors. Multi-cursor. Select indices from a collection using a polygon selector. Polygon selector, radio buttons, thresholding an image with rank slider. Range slider. Histogram of pixel intensities. Sliders, snapping sliders to discrete values. Text box. User demo. Annotate, explain, connect, delete, shrink, mutate. Annotate text arrow. Sample A direction, sample B. Connection styles for annotations. Custom box styles. Subplot to grid demo. Grid spec demo. Nested grids specs. PGF fonts. PGF text system. Simple annotate 01. Simple legend 01. Simple legend 02. Doon na natatapos ang ating portion for the examples. Yun. This is in the example section. Pag titingnan natin ang reference sa left side of our HTML site, ito yung kanyang mga references. We can click yung contribute and you'll see there's an option for us to contribute. And releases versions from 3.9, I mean from version 0.x 3.9. Connect tayo sa plot types. Doon pa rin. User guide, yung kanina natin discuss all throughout ang ating explanation. Ang ating explanation ay natatapos na doon.